5 Crypto Gems. 5 crypto gems with low market cap in April 2023. Why predict? Number 1. Ultimate advantage for smart predictions. If you're in the business of making smart predictions, you know that having the right tools is everything. And that's where the state-of-the-art predictive models and data insights built by the top 1% of AI developers and quants come in. They're like the James Bond of prediction: sleek, intelligent, and always one step ahead. The models and insights given by YPredict enable market participants to get an unbeatable edge in different industries, from finance to health to human resources. It's like having a secret weapon that nobody else knows about. Why could YPredict be a game changer in crypto? 10 to 100x potential. YPredict has a low market cap of only 4.5 million at listing, which is a fraction of what similar projects with inferior offerings are valued at in the market. Quarterly staking rewards. Token holders can receive up to 45% quarterly staking rewards from the 10% income sharing pool. Lifetime free predictions. Investors who invest a minimum of $250 in YPredict tokens can gain access to YPredict analytics base models, which were built by top 1% AI developers. Huge discounts. YPredict offers investors access to a range of platforms in its ecosystem, including data repositories, prediction platforms, analytical tools, and advanced trading terminals, all at a discounted price. Tether. Tether, USDT, is a stable coin that is pegged to the US dollar, meaning its value remains constant and is not subject to the same volatility as other cryptocurrencies. This makes it a safe haven for crypto investors during periods of high volatility. Tether has continued to expand and innovate in the coming times, recently launching a stable coin backed by the Mexican peso and collaborating on a social media app called Keet. USD Coin. USD Coin, USDC, is a stable coin that is pegged to the US dollar on a one-to-one basis, meaning every unit of the cryptocurrency in circulation is backed up by $1 held in reserve. The Center Consortium, founded by Circle and Coinbase, ensures that major accounting firms verify the levels of cash held in reserve and that regulatory compliance is met. USDC is designed for a world where cashless transactions are becoming more common, and several use cases have been unveiled for the stablecoin, including allowing businesses to accept payments in digital assets and shaking up sectors such as decentralized finance and gaming. XRP. The XRP ledger, XRPL, is a revolutionary technology that offers a wide range of benefits, including its low cost and speed, making it an ideal solution for micropayments, DeFi, and soon, NFTs. The XRPL's unique federated consensus mechanism ensures secure and transparent transactions, and it is used by businesses and developers worldwide to create solutions that solve inefficiencies in the financial sector. Despite the volatility in the market, the XRP ledger continues to make significant strides in the crypto space, paving the way for a more efficient and inclusive global marketplace. Cardano. The open-source project was founded in 2017 and aims to create a more secure, transparent, and fair society by redistributing power from unaccountable structures to individuals. Cardano's unique approach to the proof-of-stake consensus mechanism has been successful, making it one of the largest blockchains to utilize this technology. The technology is peer-reviewed before development, ensuring that only validated and durable ideas are implemented. Additionally, Cardano's Vassal hard fork aims to introduce critical upgrades to the blockchain, such as improving scalability and usability, and is highly anticipated by the crypto community. With a strong community, cutting-edge technology, and clear value proposition, these crypto gems could offer the potential for significant returns. Thanks for watching.